Welcome once again, and Zidam Astrology brings you a brighter day with Vedic astrology to guide you over the sea of life. This is my video for the general tarot reading for all ascendants in the fire trine for the period April 3rd to the 16th, 2022. This is Tarot Week 14 and 15 at Zidam Astrology. This is the first of 3 informational slides on the fire signs and the alignment of Vedic astrology and the tarot. So you can look at it at your leisure or pull up one of my previous videos on the transit series for a more detailed explanation. Should you have any queries or questions, just visit me at zidamastrology.com, or you can drop me a line at zida55@outlook.com. The second slide explains the transit of the grahas or planets, whether they're malefic or benefic, and the fire, earth, air, and water trines, as viewed in the zodiac, the 12 signs in the zodiac. So again, any queries, you know where to find me. The final of the informational slides give you a little bit on the research, a small synopsis as to why I align Vedic astrology and tarot. So again, any queries or questions, drop me a line or visit me at Zidam Astrology. Right, here we have the tarot spread that I'm going to do for the fire trine, and I'm going to do a fan spread for this. It's part of the Lenormand tradition, and I'm using the Lenormand pack for this. So let us shuffle, let us cut the pack, and let us get into the fan spread for the fire trine. And the first card that we have here is Bear, number 15. Then we have Birds, Birds, number 12. Then we have Rider, number 1. And the final card in the first fan is Mountain, number 21. And I'm doing 3 fans for this spread, so let's go to the second one. And there we have Heart, 24, number 24. Then we have number 9, Bouquet. Then we have, let's see, Crossroads, number 22. Crossroads, number 22. Then we have Snake, number 7. Then the final fan for this is number 20, Garden. Then we have Cross, number 36. Mice, number 23. And the final card in the final fan for the spread is Key, number 33. So there we have it for the fire trine. 3 fans in the fan spread for the Lenormand pack. And it's just something new to give you a different view, a different aesthetic on zidamastrology.com. Okay, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let us see what the fire trine is going to tell us for Tarot Week 14 and 15 at Zidam Astrology. And that first card that we dealt for the fire trine was Bear. And Bear is all about power, leadership, dominance, influence, your boss. So is this about your work, or is this about somebody who is a dominant person in your life? Or is it about you as a leader? Do you have influence? What do you have influence over? You have influence over gossip, worry, anxiety, excitement. So are we going with the positives or the negatives here? And what is this gossip going to do? You know, there's the rider in this fan card pack that we are looking at for the fire trine, and this anxiety and gossip comes through a rider, a message. The message is coming through this person who is going to eventually give you those gossip and anxiety attacks, and the end result here would be difficulties and struggles for you, because this is coming from a really strong person, somebody who is dominant. as I say, not really a bully, but it might be somebody who wants to protect you and cannot protect you from the gossip that's coming through in messages that will create difficulties for you. And this might be something in your past that is in your near future or current present, so that you have to look at messages coming to you and sift out whether they are gossip or whether they are the truth. So that is what you as the leader, as the person in power, has to do. And then we have heart. And the heart is all about love, forgiveness, reconciliation, charity. So that this love is either coming through to you, or you want to reconcile with somebody who you're in love with or who you love, whether it's family, friend, spouse, foe, and that person may be in your social life, but you want to do things the right way. You want this love to come through in the right way. And the roads give you that choice. It gives you that opportunity. You may have to travel to reconcile this love and this forgiveness that you want to give, but you have a little bit of hesitation because you have two parts in front of you. So which one are you going to take? The one that you may likely take may lead you to secrets, hidden knowledge. It can give you desire and deception from a lady or from a man. So, you want to forgive, you want to reconcile because you want to do the right thing, and you have many choices and opportunities in front of you. And the need for travel or the want for travel may be there, but you're hesitating because you know that this person has hidden knowledge and secrets that may, give your or deceive you, or poke your desire that you may not have the best of the decision at this point in time. And then you have the garden and the cross. And the garden is all about, your network, your team, society, public affairs, that everything is out in the open. So the hidden knowledge from the snake is in the future out in the open, and the cross is your burden to bear. It is your duty, your conviction. You have principles about this public affairs, this matter becoming a public affair, as it were, but your team is there. And the mice, which is the next card in this fan, because we went through the video, this is the flow or the destruction, so that your duty or convictions will bring about some kind of destruction, so that you probably need to have a little more flexibility and flow, because at the end of the day, the outcome here is unlocking something, achieving something, resolution. So you would make a decision about, the public affairs or the teamwork or the network, because your duty tells you that it's going to be destructive, it's going to be a flaw, it might be diseased in terms, there are certain things that are hidden there that you cannot see. So that, again, gossip, manipulation, disease, it's all there for you in terms of the mice, the snake, and the birds. And there are some obstacles for you, but the final outcome for this in the future is the key, which gives you the revelation, the unlocking, the resolution, the achievement. So you are going to have a tough time. You are going to make some choices this next period, but at the end of the day, the choices you make may very well bring about your achievement and resolution to the issues of gossip and anxiety and manipulation and deception and the choices that you have to make. Bhagwan's blessings have brought me once again to the end of another video. I thank you for joining me. I thank you for allowing me to give to you messages that have been emanating from my research and from divine intervention in my life. I thank you for sticking with me to the end, for listening, and I hope something new and exciting enters your thoughts and enables your dreams. Be safe, happy, and healthy until we meet again. Bye.